Raw milk quality inspection. Raw milk quality inspection. This is a good rule to strictly follow to get good quality of raw milk into the product processing for good quality products. There are many ways to check the quality of raw milk, such as physical, chemical, and microbial inspection. First, detection of raw milk with CMT solution. Detection of raw milk with CMT solution is a preliminary step to check for breast inflammation or check the number of white blood cells or SCC in raw milk. By scooping the milk sample in each tank, put them in a pit tank and pouring CMT solution in the same proportion as the milk. Swing the tank and let the solution and milk mix together and read the result immediately. If the reaction is thick mucus, it means SCC or white blood cell exceeded standard, and the raw milk center will not accept that milk from farmer. Second, examination of antibiotic residue in milk. Correcting raw milk sample for the examination of contaminant and residue of antibiotic in raw milk is another way that need to be checked every time the milk is received. This method is used with raw milk and processed milk to check for beta-lactam and other type of inhibitors. By adding 0.1 ml of raw milk dropped in dual test kit or equivalent. Put the test tube in biochemical incubator at 65 degrees Celsius for 2.5 hours and then read the result. If it does not turn all yellow, the result is positive, which is milk that is contaminated or had residue of antibiotic. Third, indirect method of bacteria detection and residue of antibiotic in raw milk with methylene blue reduction test. Is a convenient method for milk quality inspection and can be used to evaluate microbial quality in raw milk. If the raw milk is low quality, the result will be seen quickly. Examination with a methylene blue reduction test is done by pipette 10 ml of raw milk sample, put in the temperate test tube, and have been sterilized. Pipetting methylene blue solution 1 ml, mix it together, then incubate in a water bath machine at 37 degrees Celsius. Observe the discoloring of sample every half hour for color changing record. Raw milk with methylene blue discoloration for more than 6 hours is considered excellent quality grade 1. Raw milk with methylene blue discoloration for more than 4 hours but less than 6 hours is considered good quality grade 2. Raw milk with methylene blue discoloration longer than 2 hours but less than 4 hours is considered fair quality grade 3. And raw milk with methylene blue discoloration less than 2 hours is considered poor quality. Fourth, fat analysis in milk using the Gerber method. A preliminary analysis of fat in milk by adding sulfuric acid initial 10 ml. Put into the butyrometer to digestion of milk. Tilting test tube, then pouring 10.75 ml of milk to the side slowly. Add 1 ml of ethyl alcohol to help separate protein and fat. Close the cork tightly and check up and down to combine. Put in a centrifuge machine that has a speed of 1100 rpm for 5 minutes. and take it out to read the result by looking at the clear part on deuterometer, which is fat of milk with the value according to the number. Composition and nutritional value of raw milk. In the processing of all types of dairy products, it is necessary to know composition of raw milk material or milk, which is the main raw milk material for production, in order to measure product quality. By turning on the machine, prepare the machine to be ready. Take about 30 ml of milk sample. Let the machine to suck milk samples. Then the machine will process it with protein, fat, lactose, freezing point value, total milk percentage, and the percentage of solid not including fat. In the next sample inspection, the machine should be washed by letting the distilled water before every use to get more accurate value. 6. Microbeer examination. Microbeer examination is an examination to determine the amount of microbe contained in milk, which is a random inspection to monitor the contamination of product before being distributed. By preparing sterilized equipment, each type of growth medium is arranged in a convenient way for use. Like an alcohol lamp, make samples of dairy products that need to be tested for various infections. By pipetting product exam, add 1 ml of sample to the growth medium by doing in aseptic condition as much as possible. After that, put in incubator at 32 degrees Celsius 48 hours. When time is over, bring growth medium out to count the number of colonies. According to the standard of raw milk, total number of microorganisms should be no more than 400,000 colonies. An E. coli bacteria must not exceed 10,000 colonies.